2019 ordinary level oblique projection. It's a question 4 on an ordinary level junior cert paper, but basically what we have to do is we have to create a grid which is 105 high and 240 wide. So to start off with, I draw a baseline that is 240, and I draw a height line which is 105, and I complete a rectangle for that. Okay, we now need to divide that up into a grid, which each box is 15 millimeters. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes high. Okay, and we're doing the same with the width. So every 15 millimeters, every 1.5 centimeters, I'm marking. Okay, I'm now going to draw vertical construction lines. Okay, all of these should be drawn nice and lightly on your drawing. I'm just putting mine in a little bit heavier so you can see them on the presentation or on the YouTube clip. So they're my vertical lines, and then I also do my horizontal lines. So make sure you're using your T-square for horizontal lines and your set square combined with your T-square for your vertical lines. And there you have your grid. Okay, once you have your grid created, we need to count our boxes. So I come over 3, and then my J is 2 letters wide, and then down as far as 1 up from the bottom. So that's my J. Then the C. So that's the J and the C. And now finally my T. So it's just a matter of counting your boxes for this. And you can stop and start your video as you're going through this. So don't rush it. Take your time, count the boxes, make sure you have it fully correct. Okay. I'm just going to go over that now. It stands out. And there we have it standing out. Okay, so that's the lettering. That's in 2-dimensional. What we now need to do is we need to project back at 45 degrees to create an oblique view. So which direction you go with your oblique, it doesn't really matter. Okay, but I'm just going to go 45 degrees from each corner where it's possible to go 45 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to do one letter at a time. Okay, so I want to project back 1 centimeter. So measure 1 centimeter back. Measure 1 centimeter back. Measure back 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter back. 1 centimeter back. And that then allows you to draw in, giving it the depth. The oblique view is always projected back at 45 degrees. So that now will give you your letter J. And again, stop and start your video as it pleases. There's your letter J completed. Okay, so now we do the same for C. So anytime I can project 45 degrees. So here I can project 45 degrees. Here I can. Here I can't. Here I can. Here I can. Here I can. Here I can't. Here I can't. Here I can. Okay, so back to 45 degrees. Any distance for time being, we can measure it afterwards with our ruler. So wherever it's possible to project, you project. Okay, you now measure your centimeter. So with your ruler, you measure 1 centimeter along that 45 degree line. And that again allows you to draw in your back. Okay, and again I'll shade that in. That's my letter C done. And now finally we need to do our T. Again, 45 degrees, so you use your 45 degree set square. You project back wherever it is possible. How much back do we go? Same as everywhere else, 1 centimeter. And there we have the T. And that's the question completed.